So welcome to another Machine Monday. Today I want to talk about the importance of connecting your worker guidance platform to the actual hardware in the station. Because without that connection, we actually don't get the real process security that's actually required on a manufacturing line. So what I want to do here is I want to actually demonstrate how we actually build a component using the frontline worker guidance platform and how it's actually integrated and connected to the different pieces of hardware. So the pallet has now come into the station, it's read the RFID tag, it's actually checked that the previous operations are all okay before it enabled the part in this station, and now it's telling me to select the right socket. And as you can see, it's flashing the socket I need to pick, and if I pick the wrong socket, it gives me a warning flash to say I've picked the wrong socket. So now I can pick the right socket, and it's now indicating to me on the screen where to tighten. I've finished that bolt, it's now telling me where to tighten the next bolt. Now there are a series of manual steps, and I'm going to basically fit all of these U panels on. So the next set of operations is actually pre-assembling the wheel assembly. And one of the quality assurance checks that's been predefined by the process engineers is to take a measurement of the pre-assembly to make sure all of the components are actually fitted, which I will do, and I can manually enter in the values. And what I can do over here is, say for example, I've by mistake put 2 washers onto the wheel, and I take a measurement and the value is way too high. I can enter the value, and it actually gives me a warning to say the component is out of spec. Did I make a mistake? And then I have an opportunity to actually fix that, take the second washer out, take the measurement again, and then enter in the right value. And now we have a series of bolting operations once again. And like the previous operation, it's now telling me which socket to select. I can select the right socket, and in addition to that, we've now got a position control system that's using AI and machine vision cameras that's not only detecting where the bolting tool is, but also the number of bolts I've actually tightened. So as you can see, it's now telling me to tighten on the left rear wheel, but if I go to the front wheels, the tool is disabled and I'm not able to tighten on the bolt. Only when I go into the right position am I able to tighten the bolt. And now it's telling me to tighten the next bolt, and I can control, we are able to control the process in terms of sequence as well as the number of bolts being tightened. And as you can see, I've completed the station, everything is all okay, and I'm able to produce a good quality part with an intuitive guide with very limited training on how to follow the process. Here's another Machine Monday.